Hey everyone! Welcome back to another powerful English lesson.
Today, we're doing something super practical.
Something you do every single day.
Your morning routine.
And trust me, if you master these sentences, you can talk to anyone in smooth, natural English.
Imagine this. You're traveling, meeting new people, or talking in an interview, and someone asks, "Tell me about your daily routine."
Most people freeze, but after today, you won't. Okay, Daniel, let's start from the very beginning. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
Honestly, I wake up, stare at the ceiling, and think about life.
Very relatable. But students, here's the first key phrase. I wake up at. Repeat after us. I wake up at 6:30.
Wait, can we teach the mistake learners make?
Yes, many students say, I wake up on 6:30. But the correct one is, I wake up at 6:30.
Good English starts with small details. Don't ignore them.
Now, Daniel, be honest. Do you get out of bed immediately?
Absolutely not. I hit the snooze button at least twice.
Same. Okay, here are phrases you must know. I hit the snooze button.
I get out of bed.
I stretch for a minute.
Practice moment. Repeat after us. I get out of bed and stretch for a minute. You know what? Stretching actually helps you wake up faster.
Oh yeah? You should make a stretching tutorial.
Maybe one day.
Okay, next part of the morning. Light.
Yes, I open my curtains the moment I stand up.
Students, you can say, I open the curtains to let some sunlight in.
Or, I like bright rooms in the morning.
Small sentences, big confidence.
Okay, be real. Do you check your phone?
Yes.
Me too. But let's teach natural expressions. I check my notifications. I read my messages. I scroll through social media. Mistake alert. I see my phone. Meaning is different. Use I check my phone.
Do you make your bed in the morning?
Yes, it makes me feel organized. Students can say, I make my bed to start the day neatly. Or, I tidy up my room a little. Repeat. Both. I make my bed every morning.
Let's quickly review what you learned in part 1. I wake up at. I get out of bed. I stretch a little. I open the curtains. I check my phone. I make my bed.
These simple phrases create a complete morning routine.
In part 2,
We move into the bathroom, showering, brushing, grooming, all the essential daily English.
don't miss it. Let's jump straight to part 2.
Welcome back. If you're here, that means you survived part 1. And now we're moving into the part everyone does but nobody talks about correctly in English, the bathroom routine.
Okay, Daniel, what do you do first when you enter the bathroom?
First thing, I wash my face. I need cold water to wake my brain up.
Same. Students, here are natural English phrases. I wash my face. I splash cold water on my face. I freshen up.
Wait, explain freshen up.
It means wash face, adjust hair, clean up a bit, a quick refresh.
Super useful.
Now, let's talk about brushing teeth. Students often say, I brush my tooth. Unless you have one tooth, use I brush my teeth. Additional phrases, I use toothpaste. I rinse my mouth. I swish water around.
And don't forget, I floss.
Yes, great for your dentist and your English.
Now, showers. I love morning showers.
Same. Students, here's how you talk about it naturally. I take a shower. I wash my hair. I shampoo my hair. I use conditioner. I dry off with a towel.
Mistake time. Mistake. I do a shower. I take bath. Indian learners say this a lot. Correct is, I take a shower.
And for bathtub, here you say, I take a bath. After showering, let's talk about grooming. Grooming means taking care of your appearance. Useful phrases: I comb my hair. I blow dry my hair. I put on deodorant. I apply lotion.
Want to sound advanced? Use this. I get ready for the day.
Or even, I do my morning skincare routine.
Fancy.
Now let's talk about clothes. Useful phrases: I get dressed. I pick out my clothes. I choose something comfortable. I put on a t-shirt. I put on jeans.
Mistake alert. I wear my clothes. Correct phrases are, I put on my clothes. But after wearing them, you can say, I'm wearing jeans.
After dressing up, I always check the mirror before leaving the room.
I check myself in the mirror. I make sure I look presentable. I fix my hair.
Presentable means neat, clean, ready to meet people.
Exactly. What about last-minute things?
Oh yes, very important. I grab my phone. I check my schedule for the day. I pack my bag. I take my keys. I put on my shoes.
These seem simple, but native speakers use them daily.
Okay, repeat after us.
Ready? I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I comb my hair. I get dressed. I check the mirror. I'm ready to start my day.
Let's do a quick natural dialogue. Repeat after each line.
Hey, what do you usually do in the morning?
I take a shower and get dressed.
Do you check your phone?
Yes, I check my notifications before breakfast.
How long does it take you to get ready?
About 20 to 30 minutes. Great job!
And that brings us to part 3.
Breakfast, leaving the house, and real conversation practice.
This is where your fluency truly unlocks.
Let's continue.
Welcome to part 3.
The best part, because we talk about food.
And real morning conversations you can use anywhere in the world.
Let's start with the most delicious part of morning English: breakfast vocabulary. Useful phrases: I make breakfast. I eat breakfast. I prepare my morning meal. I grab something quick. I skip breakfast. Don't do this, but learners say it.
Grab something quick means taking a fast, simple breakfast like a banana or toast. Not actually grabbing with force. Here are real breakfast words native speakers use: cereal, milk, toast, butter, jam or peanut butter, coffee, tea, eggs, omelet, pancakes or waffles, smoothie.
Also, I make myself a cup of coffee. I drink a glass of water.
Great advanced sentence. I like to start my day with something light.
Let's practice. Repeat after us.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
You should say, I usually eat toast and eggs. Do you drink tea or coffee? You should say, I drink tea in the morning.
Do you make breakfast or buy it?
You should say, I make breakfast at home. Nice. Keep going.
After breakfast, I always check my day. Useful phrases. I check my calendar. I look at my to-do list. I check my messages. I plan my day. I review my schedule.
If you want to sound like a native speaker, I make sure I have everything I need. I pack everything before I leave. The most important morning English phrases you'll use daily. I lock the door. I head out. I leave the house. I grab my bag. I catch the bus. I walk to work.
Mistake learners make. X. I go to outside. Correct. I go outside or I head outside. Good morning. How's your day starting?
Pretty good. I woke up early today. Nice. What did you do first?
I brushed my teeth and took a shower.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I ate a light breakfast.
Are you ready for your day?
Yes, I packed my bag and I'm ready to go.
Perfect. You sound like a natural speaker. Many English learners love adding positive lines. Repeat after us. Today is a good day. I am ready for new opportunities. I will speak English confidently. I am improving every day. English plus positive mindset equals unstoppable.
Now we build everything into one flowing story. Repeat the whole thing after me, line by line. I wake up early and stretch a little. I make my bed to start the day fresh. I go to the bathroom and wash my face. I brush my teeth and take a shower. I get dressed and check myself in the mirror. I make breakfast and drink a cup of tea. I check my schedule for the day. I pack my bag and get ready to leave. I lock the door and head out. I feel ready for the day.
Amazing. You've just practiced a full natural morning routine in clean, simple, real English.
Congratulations! You've just completed all 3 parts.
Your morning English is now stronger than ever.
But we're not done. In our next video,
You'll learn how to talk about your evening routine in English with real-life examples.
don't miss it. Your daily English is about to level up again.
See you in the next lesson.